Hello, hello, mga kaingo. All right. Well, it's party time. All right. Well, today, um, I'm very thankful for all your support because today I just reached 100 likes and 105 followers. Okay, in my Facebook page. So it's really a milestone to celebrate. All right. I know it's going to be a long walk. Okay. There's going to be a long way because, of course, we need 10,000 followers. Okay. For us to be monetized. All right. But of course, um, this Facebook page is actually created to help you. So that's the primary purpose of this Facebook page is to help you, okay, on how to become an online English tutor here in Engoo. And then also, I will also be making videos. Okay, so how to make your life easy, like how to vlog and what are the things that you need to improve, like your graphics and video editing skill. So I'm gonna also be making videos like that. All right. Well, it's just been less than a week that I've created this Facebook page, but I can really see massive support from you guys. So thank you for all your likes. Thank you for all your followings. Thank you for watching my videos and expect more videos from me. All right. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you. So I just want to tell you that I'm very thankful and I'm very honored, okay, in all of you, in all of your support, okay, in this Facebook page. All right. And continue to support me. I also have like my YouTube channel. So keep subscribing, okay, clicking the notification bell, and of course, this Facebook page of mine. So please click the like button and the follow button, okay? So thank you so much. So I think that's it. And I don't want to say this, but bye for now, mga kaingo. See you in my next video. Bye bye.